Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. The 2025 BMW Z4 offers a thrilling choice of engines. The base model packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline 4, delivering 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. But for those craving more power, the M40 trim comes with the legendary 3.0-liter turbocharged inline 6, pushing out a heart-pounding 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. BMW has retained the rear-wheel drive layout, making the Z4 a proper driver's car. And for the purists out there, yes, the 6-speed manual transmission is back, alongside the 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters for lightning-fast gear changes. Speaking of performance, let's talk about handling. The 2025 Z4 features an adaptive M suspension that adjusts to road conditions and driving style, offering a perfect balance of comfort and performance. The car sits low and wide, with a near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution that gives you incredible cornering capabilities. BMW's variable sports steering sharpens the car's responses, making every twist and turn a joy. And with an electronically controlled rear differential, the Z4 delivers maximum traction, whether you're launching from a standstill or powering out of a corner. Now, let's move on to design. The 2025 Z4 stays true to its Roadster heritage, with a long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance. The redesigned kidney grills feature a mesh pattern for a modern twist, while the sleek LED headlights are sharper and more angular than ever before. The soft top roof, now available in multiple colors, folds down in just 10 seconds, perfect for those spontaneous drives. At the rear, the sculpted taillights and dual exhaust tips give the car a sporty finish, while the optional carbon fiber rear spoiler adds a touch of racing flair. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with technology. The 2025 Z4 features BMW's latest curved display, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster seamlessly connected to a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Running on iDrive 9, the system offers faster navigation, voice control, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also love the new ambient lighting system, which lets you customize the cabin's atmosphere to suit your mood. Premium materials are everywhere, from the Vernasca leather seats to the aluminum or carbon fiber trim options. And for audiophiles, the Harman Kardon surround sound system delivers an immersive listening experience. Now, let's talk about what sets the 2025 Z4 apart from its rivals. Unlike many sports cars going fully electric, the Z4 remains a pure internal combustion offering, capturing the essence of open-top driving with the sound and feel enthusiasts crave. And with its newly available manual transmission, BMW is catering directly to driving purists, a rare treat in today's automotive landscape. Let's talk price. The 2025 BMW Z4 starts at around $55,000, and for the base S-Drive 30, while the high-performance M40 model comes in at approximately $70,000, and optional packages like the M Sport Package, Technology Package, and Premium Package can push the price higher. But they add significant value with features like upgraded brakes, heated seats, and a head-up display. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the 2025 BMW Z4. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the hottest cars of 2025. What do you think of the new Z4? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.